Hi, my name is Belinda Arroyo. I'm an immigration attorney with 17 years experience, and I'm just responding to some questions about the new Biden Parole-in-Place program. One of the questions that we're hearing from people, they're asking, if I currently have DACA and I'm married to a U.S. citizen, can I apply for the Biden Parole-in-Place program? So if you have not traveled under advanced parole already with the DACA program, you can apply for the Biden Parole-in-Place program. But if you traveled with advanced parole under your DACA, you are not eligible for the program. So that's going to be the distinction for people who have DACA, because the whole point of the process is for you to get a parole, so that because you're married to a U.S. citizen, you can now apply for adjustment of status. Those of you who already traveled under DACA advanced parole, you are able to already apply for adjustment of status if you're married to a U.S. citizen and eligible. So this parole process is just an additional program that's available for people who have DACA. One of the other questions was, what is the application fee? That's going to be $580. That's what's been announced by USCIS. That is an additional fee that has to be paid directly to immigration along with all the other documents in the application. And then I think one of the other questions that we're starting to get is, what if I have criminal history? And one of the questions specifically that was asked is, what if I have a Class B misdemeanor? So number one, if you have any kind of criminal history, I do not suggest that you apply for this program without talking to an immigration attorney. Basically, they have said that if you have anything other than a minor traffic violation, that it's going to be presumed that you're not eligible, and that's rebuttable, but you're going to have to provide additional documents. I would highly recommend, if you have any criminal history, even if it's minor criminal history, that you talk to an immigration attorney, and that you consider hiring an immigration attorney to provide additional documentation to give you the best chance of being approved. So even though you might be eligible for adjustment with the Class B misdemeanor, and I think most people are, just depending on the Class B misdemeanor, that is not the same requirement under this program. And so I would definitely talk to legal counsel specifically about your criminal history and helping you apply for the new program. Thanks. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out, do a consultation with our office, 214-631-3500. Thanks.